Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to see email address on Facebook. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So if you really want to know which of your email address is associated with your Facebook account, you need to open your Facebook application and then at the bottom right click on the menu icon. Then at the top right click on the settings icon right up here. And then you need to click on the first one option, see more in Account Center. Then in this list of options you need to find personal details, here it is. And then click on the first option, contact info. After that you will see all your phone numbers, all your email addresses connected with your Facebook account. So as you can see, I have no email address associated with my Facebook account, but in your situation it can be different. So as for me, I will click on my phone number. Then in this interface you will see different options such as add to another account. You can add some new account and delete number if you want to delete your email address or phone number. So, and that's all, and that's how to see email address on Facebook. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.